Hi students, today the topic which we are going to see is development of solid surfaces. In this topic we will be seeing how a solid, the outer surface is being developed. We develop some solid. We'll see the introduction about. So it is basically we are the outer surface of any surface, any object, which is spread in a sheet of paper. The dimension with all dimension proper. So we are going to draw the thing. So that is surfaces. This help us in various methods. For example, if you want to cover some a wall or any object which is having some complicated shape also, we can able to find the outer surface area and we can do the wrapping up. Here we have two methods. One is parallel line method, another is radial line method. Normally we'll be using parallel line method for solving any cylinder or prisms. Radial line method will be used for cones as well as for pyramids. So here we have an example of a prism, that is a square prism. So how the outer surface is being wrapped up. In case we want to develop the outer surface, and this is how it is going to be. So here we have the solid. If it is been outer surface is being spread in a sheet of paper, as if it has been pasted in a sheet of paper, and this is how the final figure it is going to be. Final figure going to be, and this surface is nothing but the top base and bottom base as well as all the sides. So totally four sides since it is a square prism. And then in case if it is a cylinder, again I told you we'll be using parallel line methods, and I'll tell you what is meant parallel line methods. Again, if it is a cylinder, if you want to wrap up the outer surface, and this is how it is going to be. If you are spreading it in sheet of paper, and this is how it is going to be. So this is the base, top base and bottom base, and here all the generators, and taking the dimension of the circle. So the total length of the perimeter of the circle is pi d, or circumference of the circle is pi d, and using the formula we'll be finding the total length. After finding the total length, we'll be dividing the length into 8 equal parts, and then we'll be drawing vertical line. Make sure all the lines are parallel to each other, and this is how we'll be developing a cylinder. In case if we want to draw the base, we can draw two base, one base at the top and another base at the bottom. Okay, development of pyramid. For development of pyramid, we'll be using a radial line method. This is how a pyramid will be once it is being developed. So it will be having so here we have an example of rectangle pyramid. So all four sides and the base, and this is the solution. And cases of a pyramid, if you want to develop a pyramid, so here the case is the pyramid is resting on its base on HP, and they have drawn the top view and front view. And to draw this final view, so we have to take any point and draw a line. Randomly we have to draw any line, and then we have to find this length. Okay, this is called as true length, true side length. Okay, true slant length or true side length. Here this base, this slant length, as well as here we have another slant length. Both the lengths are going to be equal, but it is not the true slant length, just because again we have another base. The side edges are inclined to VP, by which again this is going to be apparent length, or this true length. In such cases we have to draw a horizontal line, just a horizontal line from the center. By taking OB as dimension of compass, you have to draw an arc and cut the horizontal line. Wherever it is cutting, just draw a vertical line till the reference line, then just join to the apex point. This length will give you the true slant length. After taking this true slant length, just take the true slant length and cut an arc. You know the side dimension, then draw an arc uh, so of some distance you just draw, and then take the side dimension and draw 4 arcs continuously and join all the points by drawing the slant length. You know the base is going to be a straight line, just join by straight line, and that's it. The problem is over. Then again, about the cutting plane we'll be seeing in the next class. Thank you.